So we're going to instruction 6 now. It says complete the objectives. Objective 1 must link with hypothesis 1. So let's go back to hypothesis 1. What does hypothesis 1 say? Mathematics score is a variable, stays the same as positive math feelings increase. Positive math feelings is another variable. Okay. Hypothesis 1 is basically, therefore, now analyzing the relationship between two variables. Okay. Now your objectives must start with a verb. So if someone says the mathematics score stays the same as positive math feelings increase, so what are you going to do about that as a researcher? Someone tell you mathematics score stays the same, you know, as positive feelings increasing. No matter what your positive feelings, the score, whatever score, is going to be the same. So what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do about that? You have to start by saying either to analyze, to investigate, to find. So if you choose to investigate, let's continue what you're going to say, to investigate. Continue. Whether or not you are going to, that's one way. That's just one example. Eh? You are going to investigate whether or not mathematics score stays the same as positive math feelings increase. So that's one way you can complete hypothesis objective 1. Okay. To investigate whether or not mathematics score stays the same as positive math feelings increase. Someone might say, okay, to analyze the relationship, isn't that so, between mathematics score and positive math feelings? They are very, hello, yes? What did you put? Yes, what did you put for objective 1? Okay, so there's one way of saying it. Okay, let's go to objective 2. Objective 2, all right, objective 2 have to be linked to hypothesis 2. Mathematics course is the same as time practicing math increases. So you do something similar, but you don't have to use the word investigate. You can put determine, to determine whether or not. Okay, so don't be repetitive for redundancy. You can use to find out the relationship between. Okay, so that's how you complete the objectives. Objective 3 have to relate to hypothesis 3. The average time spent math is greater than. To analyze whether or not, you know, the average time is greater than that number. Okay, that you put there. The number we put was 65. Okay, and so forth. So please relate your objectives, link it to your hypotheses. 5 hypotheses, 5 objectives. Any questions with regard to number 6, how to complete your objectives? Say that again. Not necessarily, not necessarily null. Not necessarily null. You can put to investigate whether or not there is a relation. You can interchange them. And look at another thing you can do. You can say to investigate whether or not there is a relationship between math score and positive math feelings. So you don't have to relate the objective directly to the null per se. Okay. All right. But once it linked with it, okay, is all. You can link it with the alternative also. Yes. You can link it with the null, or you can be general. You know, the correlation, to find out the correlation between math feelings, math score, and positive feelings. So all this you can do for all your objectives, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once it's linked with the hypothesis, that's the main thing. Okay.